Hello, my beautiful souls. Welcome back to our channel, where we're all about simple, smart, and healthy solutions for our well-being. Today, we're diving into one of the most versatile natural remedies out there, baking soda or sodium bicarbonate. Baking soda is celebrated for its versatility, not just in cooking and cleaning, but also in health and beauty routines. While it offers benefits when consumed internally in this video, we'll focus solely on its incredible topical uses for skin and hair. Here, we explore alternative remedies and natural solutions that help us avoid harsh chemicals and expensive products. Instead, we return to nature, using simple remedies that do the same job for a fraction of the price without harming ourselves. Now, let's explore how you use baking soda for your skin and hair, blending ancient wisdom with modern science for natural, effective results. However, stick to the end, as I will explain very important precautions to take into consideration when using baking soda. But for now, let's jump into the 15 incredible benefits of using baking soda for your skin and hair. 1. Exfoliation. Baking soda is a fantastic exfoliant. It gently removes dead skin cells, leaving your skin smoother and brighter. Just mix it with a bit of water to create a paste, and you've got yourself a natural scrub. Ancient Egyptians used a similar form of baking soda for cleansing, proving that this method has stood the test of time. 2. DIY natural deodorant. Say goodbye to chemical-filled deodorants. Baking soda neutralizes body odor naturally. Mix it with coconut oil and a few drops of your favorite essential oil, and you've got a natural, effective deodorant that keeps you fresh all day long. 3. Reducing puffy eyes. Did you know baking soda can even help with puffy eyes? Mix it with water and gently apply it under your eyes. It helps reduce swelling and brightens up your look. 4. Acne treatment. Baking soda's antibacterial properties make it a great spot treatment for pimples. Apply a paste directly to the pimple and let it dry. It helps reduce redness and swelling, perfect for those unexpected breakouts. 5. Razor burn and ingrown hair treatment. Struggling with razor burn? Baking soda can soothe irritation and prevent ingrown hairs. Simply apply a paste of baking soda and water to the affected area, and you're good to go. 6. Skin. Brightening mask. Looking to brighten your complexion? Baking soda can help. Mix it with lemon juice or honey to create a brightening mask. Apply it to your face and watch as it gently exfoliates and evens out your skin tone. 7. Soothing sunburn. Spent too much time in the sun? Baking soda's alkalinity can help soothe that painful sunburn. Add it to a cool bath or make a compress for instant relief. 8. Treating skin infections. Baking soda's antibacterial and antifungal properties make it great for treating minor skin infections like athlete's foot. Use it as a paste or add it to a foot soak for quick relief. 9. Lightening. Dark underarms. Dark underarms can be a real confidence killer, but baking soda can help lighten them. Use it as a scrub or mix it with lemon juice for a natural brightening treatment. 10. Soothing. Itchy skin. Baking soda is a lifesaver for itchy skin, whether it's from bug bites, allergic reactions, or eczema. Add it to your bath or apply a paste to the itchy areas for instant relief. 11. Foot soak for odor and softness. Want to pamper your feet? Baking soda neutralizes odors and softens rough skin. Just add it to warm water for a relaxing foot soak. 12. Treating cold sores. Cold sores are no fun, but baking soda can help dry them out and speed up the healing process. Apply a paste to the cold sore and let it do its thing. 13. Clarifying rinse. If your hair feels weighed down by product buildup, baking soda is the perfect solution. Mix it with water and use it as a clarifying rinse. It'll leave your hair feeling clean and refreshed, just like new. For best results, follow up with an apple cider vinegar rinse to restore your scalp's pH balance. 14. Managing dandruff. Dandruff driving you crazy? Baking soda can help. Gently massage it into your scalp while in the shower. It exfoliates the scalp, reducing flakes and leaving your hair healthier. 15. Removing chlorine from hair. If you're a frequent swimmer, you know how damaging chlorine can be to your hair. A baking soda rinse can neutralize chlorine and keep your hair soft and healthy. So there you have it, 15 incredible benefits of using baking soda for your skin and hair. By embracing this natural, affordable remedy, you can avoid harsh chemicals and expensive products, all while achieving amazing results. Baking soda is truly a must-have in your natural beauty routine. Now, some important precautions. Baking soda is alkaline, with a pH around 9, while the natural pH of hair is slightly acidic, around 4.5-5.5. Using baking soda can disrupt this balance, potentially leading to dryness, brittleness, or irritation if overused, particularly in those with sensitive or dry hair types. It's generally more suitable for those with oily hair or those who use a lot of styling products, but even then, it should be used sparingly. Once a week or less frequently is usually enough. After a baking soda treatment, it's crucial to follow up with a moisturizing conditioner or a slightly acidic rinse, like apple cider vinegar, to restore your hair's pH balance and keep it hydrated. For those with color-treated or chemically processed hair, baking soda might be too harsh, as it can strip the color and weaken the hair structure. Similarly, on the skin, while baking soda can be a great exfoliant and soothing agent, overuse or using it on sensitive skin can lead to irritation or dryness. Always do a patch test before using it on larger areas of your skin, and consider mixing it with a carrier like coconut oil or water to dilute its effects. Give these tips a try, and let me know in the comments how they work for you. If you found this video helpful, please share it with your family and friends, and make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more natural health and beauty tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay beautiful, stay natural.